IBC osingo mar bago yiero e kuonde mane ok otime yiero ka yiero makama koro chan timo tarik 29 mar dweni. Duolno ne olando magi kokalo kuom jakom margi Wafula Chebukati e romo mane gitimo kod jolar kombe mawuok e gwengego mana kaka imiyo waler kod jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga.
Bang' koso yiero jotelo magi tarik 9 mar dweni, jodak ma Kakamega gi Mombasa koro biro dhi e debe mar yiero gavana magi. Maeri tok chenrono ne ochwal nyime kok tarik 23 mar dweni. Jakom maduondno Chebukati ne osingo ni yierono ibiro bago e yo makare.
We have had a very good meeting with the candidates and together with the team from IBC, and we have agreed that we shall hold the postponed elections on the 29th of this month. That's next Monday. All the elections which were postponed will be held on the 29th of August 2022. The commission has already prepared, the ballot materials are already here. We are also in the process of preparing the KIMS kits to ensure they are in the various elective areas during this week. And the returning officers have also attended the meeting. They'll be preparing the staff who will participate in those elections.
Yiero no bende biro mulo kar chung' od bura 4 mane ok otimie yiero, mano en Pokot South, Rongai, Kitui Rural gi West Pokot ka jalar kombe to norwako paro no mokalo.
For us now it's the commission to remain faithful to the date and for our people to be ready. So I want to appeal to my supporters, my voters of the great people of Pokot South to turn up in large numbers. Of course, we know it was a game for us in Pokot South. We know it was an outside game, and therefore now our people have an opportunity to be able to stamp our integrity as a community.
Wapinzani wetu wamejaribu kuonesha kama kwamba IBC wamefanya hili jambo kwa makusudi ili kuweka wao katika position ile ya disadvantage, lakini nafikiria ni makosa ambayo yametokea ambayo commission imetuelezea na tumepata majibu ambayo yanaridhisha. Kwa hivyo sisi ni kuendelea na uchaguzi.
Wafula mabende no miyo jolar kombe guthulo mandala 4 mar timo kisera magi no singo ni gisere do kuonde mane ombekni mabende ne omiyo okobag yiero.
We have also allowed the candidates to do campaigns for the next 4 days and stopped for 48 hours before the election date on Monday 29th. The Commission will also be reaching out to the Minister of Education to avail the schools in those areas for voting on that particular day. And so generally the issues that are affecting all the candidates have been discussed and resolved. Ours is just to ask the candidates to campaign peacefully and for Kenyans in those areas to turn up in large numbers and vote for the candidates of their choice.
Kwa vile wametupa date ya karibu, sisi ni shukrani kwao, maana sisi tuko tayari kwa uchaguzi, tumejipanga na nilikuwa tu hiyo siku kufika. Tutaitumia hizo siku 4 ambazo wametupa za campaign in the most effective way ili tuwe na ile impact.
Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi County.